Hey everybody, it's Mary with Gasket Sciences. As you know, we sell vacuum oven packages, which is a turnkey system with everything that you need to run a vacuum drying or vacuum purge process. However, there might be one more thing I want you to consider, and that is our vacuum package maintenance kits. The two things that are going to wear out on these packages are the vacuum oven door gasket and the vacuum pump tip seal. So we've put those two critical items in a single maintenance kit for you to have on hand so that you can keep right on processing. Again, expect the door gasket and the tip seal kit need to be replaced once a year under normal use. And we have a variety of different gasket materials as well for you to consider. So check out and don't forget our maintenance kits for each vacuum oven package. Give us a call if you have any questions at all. Thank you.